टैटू रिग्रेट इज रियल, चाहे वो एक एक्स का नाम हो, कोई डिजाइन जो अब अच्छा नहीं लगता, या कुछ ऐसा जो आपके लिए कभी था ही नहीं. यू डोंट हैव टू कैरी इट फॉर एवर. योर स्किन, योर चॉइस. We use advanced laser technology with progressive fading. Session by session, laser ink particles को break करता है, precisely, safely, effectively. Your skin naturally flushes them out. No harsh chemicals, no scarring. Just your clean skin coming back gradually. Results depend on ink color, tattoo size, and skin type. We will tell you everything honestly in your first consultation. No false promises, sirf real progressive results. That tattoo was a chapter, not your whole story, so it's time to turn the page. Share this reel with someone who has been hiding their tattoo for too long.